Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rev for AI transcription automation, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Rev website at rev.com. Navigate to the Get Started button, usually found on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. On the next page, look for the option to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will redirect you back to the Rev website to complete your registration. Once logged in, go to the Services section. Select AI Transcription from the list of options available. Review any introductory information regarding AI transcription. Afterward, choose the Get Started button specific to AI transcription. You will be prompted to upload your audio or video files. Select the files you wish to transcribe from your device. Consider adjusting any settings, like transcription length or formatting, if applicable. After making your selections, click the Upload button to start the process. Monitor the upload progress as your files are processed. Once completed, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your transcription. Access your dashboard to view and manage your completed transcripts. You can download or share the transcripts as needed. Review all settings and preferences to optimize your future transcriptions. Regularly check for updates or new features offered by Rev. Exploring Rev's resources can enhance your experience with AI transcription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.